Have you ever wanted to walk on air, to defy the laws of physics, and experience the thrill of being suspended 103 floors above the ground? Welcome to the Skydeck, perched atop the iconic Willis Tower in Chicago, a marvel that takes you to breathtaking heights. This isn't your ordinary view. Here, you'll step out onto the ledge, a glass balcony extending from the building offering a heart-stopping panoramic view of the city. If you're in search of the ultimate adrenaline rush, the Skydeck at Willis Tower in Chicago is the place to be. To truly appreciate the marvel that is the Skydeck, we must first delve into the history of its home, the Willis Tower. Born from the innovative minds of architect Bruce Graham and structural engineer Fazlur Rahman Khan, this iconic structure was completed in September 1973. Originally known as the Sears Tower, it was built to house the headquarters of the Sears Roebuck Company. The Willis Tower, soaring 1,453 feet into the Chicago skyline, held the title of the world's tallest building for 25 years. Its unique bundled tube design was not only groundbreaking but also allowed for future upward expansion. However, the skyscraper's purpose evolved over time. Its transformation into a tourist attraction began in 1974 when the Skydeck opened to the public. The Willis Tower, once the tallest skyscraper on the planet, now houses one of the most thrilling experiences you can find, the Skydeck. The Skydeck isn't just a tourist attraction, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to push boundaries. Perched on the 103rd floor of the Willis Tower, the Skydeck is a marvel of modern engineering. Constructed with the most innovative materials and state-of-the-art technology, it provides an unparalleled, panoramic view of the Windy City. Yet the Skydeck is more than just a breathtaking vista. It's an emblem of Chicago's rich cultural heritage and vibrant city life. The Skydeck's glass balcony, known as the Ledge, extends out from the building, offering a thrilling experience that draws in thousands of visitors each year. It's a place where people can step out of their comfort zones, literally suspended above the city streets. Despite the initial scare when the ledge cracked under the weight of many visitors, it has been repaired and continues to stand strong, a testament to resilience and innovation. The Skydeck, a marvel of modern engineering, offers an experience that is both thrilling and awe-inspiring, proving that the sky is indeed not the limit. So, what exactly can you expect when you step onto the Skydeck? Imagine stepping into an elevator that whisks you upwards at an exhilarating speed. Within mere seconds, you're propelled to the 103rd floor of the iconic Willis Tower. As the doors slide open, prepare to be greeted by a breathtaking panorama of Chicago's skyline stretching out as far as your eyes can see. Now comes the heart-stopping moment. The Ledge, a glass balcony suspended high above the city streets, awaits your courageous step. Feel your heart pound as you stride onto the glass, peering down at the bustling city below. It's a thrilling blend of fear and fascination that leaves even the most seasoned adventurers breathless. Observe the reactions of other visitors. Some gasp at the sight, others laugh in disbelief. But all wear expressions of pure awe. It's a unique spectacle that brings together people from all walks of life, each sharing in this extraordinary experience. The Skydeck Experience is one of exhilaration, fear, and overwhelming joy, an unforgettable moment that will stay with you long after you've stepped off the ledge. From its history as the tallest building in the world to its transformation into an adrenaline-pumping tourist attraction, the Willis Tower and its Skydeck have a lot to offer. Let's remember this iconic structure once dominated the Chicago skyline, and now it provides an exhilarating experience at the Ledge, a glass balcony perched high above the city streets. It's a testament to architectural innovation and a beacon for thrill-seekers worldwide. So if you've ever wanted to walk on air, the Skydeck at Willis Tower is waiting. Are you ready to take the leap?